Guys, hi, good morning. I'm new on TikTok. So now I made a video because I don't know where my footage is and I want to not post it on TikTok, but I want to save it. Now I must be calling people because I need. Oh, guys, see this content creation life. It's not for the faint-hearted, but let me just call. I'm going to be screen sharing. I'm also making breakfast. That's the sound in the background. If this hand doesn't answer, I'd actually be so sad. But look.
So traumatized, my God, let me take a tip of water.
Because how many times will I lose footage in this life? In this life, the current life that I'm in, how many times?
I'm so traumatized,
Over
my
it.
God, let me take it.
Let me go check my food. Welcome to my channel. My cousin said I must start greeting and saying welcome to my channel, but like I'm ready. I make this similar, so you are always welcome. You know what I'm saying? But hi Sia, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I don't like saying hi guys, welcome to my channel. That's why I never greet like hi guys, welcome to my channel. Anyways, today is a new day. This is a new vlog, I think. This is the beginning of something. Today I got my call that I can go fix my Apple iPhone. Why did I say Apple iPhone? That I can go fix my phone. So I'm eating out, and then after I eat, I'm gonna head out and then go fix my phone, and then come right back home and continue to edit. My brother left the other day. You saw a bit of the footage there. So yeah, now that he's gone, since you've been gone, I've just been a bit sad about like I'm sad because I literally have nobody to do stuff with. Because people really need this. That's the life of them. So I'm gonna stop doing stuff by myself again. Guys, these things I love them so much. They're from Shein. It's an almost styling to talk about from movie. Anyways, this is my outfit. It's the outfit that I wore when we came back from oh my gosh. I wore this when we were coming back from the international trip. So yeah, I just love the top, if I'm being honest. I love this poo set. So yeah, so then it's just a dress because it's a bit chilly. I'm at the mall. And I'm just trying to use my old phone while they're gonna be fixing my current phone. And when I say it's given, they give them my number. So I'm gonna just go to Telkom also, just to make sure that this whole number situation is not gonna be a problem, because I was definitely using the WhatsApp and the number. But the phone, I haven't been really using it for a long time, you know.
Can it be me and you that would keep me satisfied?
Otherwise, I'll come sit here. I'm literally done. Now I'm gonna go Telkom to figure out what's going on with my SIM card as well. Can't take a vlog over, guys. Telkom, but come give away my number. I need to ask her, like, what is she thinking? Why are some feasible whenever a girl? I see you're here. The solution is just getting a SIM card, because my sister cancelled her contract, something I told them, and my SIM card I think was under her. So manje, I just got a new SIM card, and then yeah, all will go back to normal, I guess. But yeah, I had an interesting journey, but it's just better. They just put everything under me, so get happy for now. So I'm not gonna video. So this is the end of today. I'm just gonna marinate some chicken, put that in the air fryer later, and then I'm making rice, like savory rice. But I'm gonna finish off when my mom comes back. Today.
You say you love me. You know you got a hold on me. I know we've had some differences, but it's all in the past.
Yeah, and can I please have the livers? The chicken livers, yeah. With the
Don't want this to end. Let's fall in love again. Take it back to where it all began. Let's fall in love again till the end. Let's fall in love again. Take it back to where it all began. Let's fall in love.
I got my bag back, but the issue is that they didn't give me back my dust bag. So I was like, can I go fetch it at Minden? Because I'm not going back to Sandton right now, unless there's like a big need, you know. And then the lady was like, yeah, just go back there and tell them to give you a bag. I said, first of all, that doesn't sound right. Give me a reference or something. And I was like, give me your name. She's like, no, you got this. I'm like, just imagine popping up to the shop as somebody who doesn't have something from the shop. Let's say I didn't have. Like, what is that gonna do? Like, the people there are gonna look at me like, this person is actually on crack. So my mom just suggested that I go with the slip, and she finally gave me a name to use as a reference. And then yeah, I'm gonna go get another bag from Mainland either tomorrow or any of the days. Anyways, then my mom's friend like is not feeling well, so she made her a basket. Well, I made the basket. I think I'm just gonna add another tissue paper here so that it's a bit more dramatic. And then my mom is getting flowers. It's just nothing crazy. She had some surgery, so something soft, something to drink, and something very, very soft to eat. I haven't eaten since the morning, so one thing about me, my nuggets. Yeah. Altogether, today was just okay. My mom was trying to give me a gift for my birthday, but like, the options that I put up, like one of them, like it was a Coach bag. So then we went to Coach, and then Coach really doesn't have stuff that I like right now. Like I want a nice color. I wanted either they have this nice blue, but it's the same size as my brown one from Barney. So I don't want that because it is small. Like at the end of the day will end, and the day will prove that the bag is small. So I wanted a bigger one, but like in the blue or a green. And then they don't have both the colors that I wanted in, but they have like this nice blue one. Oh, it's a bit sad, but you know, what can a girl do? You know, my feet are burning. I've been wearing sneakers all day. Do you see, like, they just gave me this huge ass bag, but no dust bag. Now I have to be running around again. But anyway, yeah, let me just add another paper here. I think this is so cute. It's giving Valentine's, and that was not the theme. Skincare is expensive. It's really expensive, but rather be safe than sorry. Yo, honey, give a little dick, honey. Yay! I get you, my man. You gave me a butter. I don't know what I got at this game. I got quickly first. Got new ones. Then got this stuff. This one is new. I haven't used this before. Okay, I use this. I know what this does. It works for me. My skin is happy with it for now. Hey, my skin is happy for it. No, see for now. Then I got this one. This is new. He's already a purifier in Gorgi Pure Clar. I don't know, but they don't have the one that I'm currently using. So I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna use it now. Yay! Yay! I did you remember? Then I got this. This is a sunscreen. I just wanted to try new sunscreen because my current one is finished. So I'm gonna try this tomorrow. I love buying stuff and trying them immediately, and then in my bag. I spent like 100 euro. This is a lot of money that I didn't expect. And then here's the bag that I'm supposed to collect after they fixed it. So this is what they were fixing, this part. I don't know how to show you this thing. So it's fixed.
I need you. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are
Now she got the bag, but she didn't get the dust bag bag.
they want my body to treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice.
But it's still nice. These are the colors that they didn't. Very, very nice. Max flat. All right. One thing more lighter. You guys know I got something to drink. Refresh. Sorry, I see. Guys, I actually enjoy going around the world with my mom. Like, come on, I can recommend it. You know, I'm not saying I know. I'm not my children.
Slow wine. One time, I need you.
They don't have the strawberry acai. So I did the dragon fruit mango. Go quick. I did the mango. Thanks, girl. And then I did she did the melon pearl, something like that. And I did the mango dragon fruit. And that's the review. Munyaling. My heart's almost mineral.
Yeah, it's 100 loads.
Like literally. But what?
I need you.
So they gave us the same thing, but we ordered two different things, to be honest. Them honestly fighting for our drink. And then she got shoes and I got I bought a mouthwash because I didn't have a mouthwash at
Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do.
Calm down. Hello, boss. Your iPhone 17 is not proving the real sound. Hi, guys. Guys, hi. Today's a new day. Guys, I undid my hair the other day. It won't show. But I undid it. And it's out. I'm going to go do it tomorrow. I undid it the other day, so today is like day 2 with my natural hair. And then right now we're going to have some happy with Matimba, and I think I'm gonna eat there. And then yeah, I was supposed to edit and wash my car. My car's a bit filthy. It's not filthy, it's just dirty. I need to go to this week's car wash. And then I called where I usually wash my car, and they said 1 hour 30 minutes. I said I'm not washing my car today, so I chose to go and smoke heavily with my family, so that's what we're gonna go do. Other than that, guys, it's been a day of doing. I edited a little bit, but not really. You know, I haven't found it in me to go back and edit the way I'm supposed to edit. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna have to sit myself down and edit. And then tomorrow, I must do my hair. I need to remember to call. I'm gonna call, do my hair. I'm gonna wash my car, then do my hair tomorrow. And then Friday, I'm gonna go install my hair. And then I have a meeting. And then that's this week. But I haven't done much crazy stuff this week, so yeah, I'll see you guys when we arrive. Guys, Natanda says she's going back to work. I'll get lunch break. Hey, I'll get lunch break. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock, I'll get lunch break. Anywho. But I'm content creator.
They don't guarantee them after
Ka 48 or Guys, we're vlogging. Oh, it ends there? Yeah. Crazy.
As it actually has to, like, and it's also like you want to make a stuff, you want to movements in your life, you want to
Natam had so much to say to me. Guys, we literally like spoke about the entire Bible from Genesis to Revelation. Literally.
But anyways, guys, we're gonna leave now. We're going to Minden, but I'm not gonna.
We went to several stores and then we ended up here. It's the other way around.
She couldn't tame her heart.
It was so sad when I got to that shop and they said they don't have. That's it, 1 and 1. So we're just getting Krispy Kreme. Thank you. We had Krispy Kreme. Chummy, don't worry, I don't smell like that. Krispy Kreme, getting some donuts. Cheers. Cheers with me. Oh, because you're looking in the content.
Wait, but now where are you?
What do you
Let them pass. Oh, you doing a landscape?
No, I'm doing for YouTube. You should do that right here. 1, 2, 3, cheers. My pants are unbuckled. Hi guys. Hey guys, I literally just got home. I was unpacking. I was reposting what November posted because I barely recorded. Well, I barely posted. I played it on my phone, and I really had a good time. Then we went to Maiden. Then I went to Ark. I went to take a picture of it before I went to Ark. And to Maiden. Then I bought a pink tea. I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, I bought a pink tea lip gloss, so I got a 15% off. So I need to take a picture of that. Then I bought a gel because I want me and my nail tech to try it. Because I don't like the pinks that she's been using when she does my nails. Not that also. We handle it. I don't like the pink that she's been using. So I'm gonna look until I find what makes me happy. I don't think this is it. But it could be, eh? You never know. Sometimes, like we got it right. I think once or twice. The other times I've just done it. And then I put this. I put Riri. Because Bro calls me Auntie Riri. So Riri for Auntie Riri. Oh, I'm actually gonna wash my face. Oh my gosh, I got more pink stuff this month. But yeah, guys, like this is the end of today. I never recorded my bathroom. This is the end of today. I don't call to make an appointment to do my hair for tomorrow. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Or I'm just gonna go there. And we're just gonna go there and try my luck. But yeah, when I tell you this hair, I prayed for it. And God answered my prayers quick. Because my hair is out. It's cute. It's actually very dirty, so I don't like touching it. But I'm gonna tie it into my pillows. I'm gonna sleep in the pillows. Guys, this first thing. Good morning. I'm going to do my hair, but right now I'm at McDonald's to get something to eat. And then I left my camera thinking it's a great idea. Can't the phone it won't point. This phone and showing me over it. But yeah, I'm just getting breakfast or something to eat for breakfast because I didn't eat at home because it's getting late. It's like 9 already, so I don't want to get there after 10 or after a specific time because then it gets full. Okay?
What do you mean egg, ne?
Egg McMuffin. So no.
I'm hung up on the baby. I'm hung up on the baby.
I've been here for hours. Huh? But I look good. I look damn good. If I have to say something. I look so good. It was very clean. Oh, I play the guessing game when it comes to where I park my car. So that was the wrong floor. But yeah, this girl, homegirl ate. Left no crumbs. Deja hair also ate. You know,